Good day, I'm Mr. Aram. Let's study Computer System Servicing for Grade 11, Quarter 3, Module 4 about cable routes of client-server network design. Expectation: after completing this lesson, you should be able to: number 1, identify the components of client-server network design. Number 2, create the cable routes of client-server network design. Number 3, appreciate the importance of client-server network design. Let's have a pretest. Direction: match the definition of column A to the term of column B. Number 1, used for telephone system, data networks, and low-speed serial connection. Number 2, device that filters and forwards packets between LAN segments. Number 3, bundle of multiple network ports together to connect incoming and outgoing lines. Number 4, device that allows other Wi-Fi devices to connect a wired network. Number 5, device that converts data into a format suitable for transmission medium. Let's have a recap of our previous lesson. Direction: read each statement carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, a multi-purpose computer whose size, capabilities, and price make it feasible for individual use. Number 2, used to connect one network device to other network devices or to connect two or more computers to share files and printer. Number 3, an organization that provides services for accessing, using, and participating in the Internet. Number 4, a device that forwards data packets between computer and networks. Number 5, a peripheral device which makes a persistent representation of graphics or text, usually on paper. Lesson proper: components of client-server network design. Number 1, modem, a device that converts data into format suitable for transmission medium so that it can be transmitted from one computer to another. Number 2, router, a device that forwards data packets between computer networks. It performs the traffic directing function on the internet. Data sent through the internet, such as a web page or email, it is in the form of data packets. Number 3, wireless access point, a device that allows other Wi-Fi devices to connect to a wired network. Number 4, patch panel, a bundle multiple network ports together to connect incoming and outgoing lines, including those for local area networks, electronics, electrical system, and communications. Number 5, switch, a device that filters and forwards packets between LAN segments. Number 6, modular box, used for telephone system, data networks, and low-speed serial connection. A modular connector typically has a clear plastic body with a tab that locks the plug and jack into place when connected. Number 7, network cable. Used to connect one network device to another other devices or to connect two or more computers to share files and printer. Number 8, personal computer, a multi-purpose computer whose size, capabilities, and price make it feasible for individual use. Personal computers are intended to be operated directly by an end user. Number 9, printer, a peripheral device which makes a persistent representation of graphics or text, usually on paper. Cable routes of client-server network design. Number 1, the source of the internet is from the internet service provider, then a network cable connects to the modem network port. Number 2, next from the modem, LAN network port attach a network cable to the patch panel from the network port. Number 3, then from the back part of the patch panel, connect a network cable to the router 1 network port. Number 4, next from the router LAN network port, attach a network cables to the back part of the patch panel. Number 5, then from the router LAN network port, connect a network cable to the WAP network port. Number 6, next from the patch panel front panel port, attach a network cable to the switch network port. Number 7, then from the patch panel from the network port, connect two network cables to the switch network port. Number 8, next from the back part of the patch panel, attach a two network cables to the modular box back part. Number 9, then from the front part of the modular box network port, connect two network cables to the client and server computer network port. Number 10, lastly, the server computer shares the printer to the network. Here the sample diagram of this client-server network design from the ISP down to the modem, then connect to the patch panel, then to the router, then connect from router to the patch panel, then from the router to the WAP, then from patch panel to the switch, then from the patch panel to the modular box, then from the modular box to the client's PC and server PC, then the server computer share the printer to the network. Let's have a written activity. Direction, draw a cable routes from client server network design using the following procedures. Number one, the source of the internet is from the internet service provider, then connect a network cable to modem network port. Number two, next from the modem network port, attach a network cable to the router 1 network port. Number three, then from the router LAN network port, connect a network cable to the switch network port. Number four, next from the router LAN network port, attach a network cable to the WAP network port. Number five, then from the switch network port, connect network cables to the patch panel from front network port. Number six, next from the switch network port, attach two more network cables to the patch panel front network port. Number seven, then from the back of the patch panel, connect two network cables to the modular box back part. Number eight, next from the front part of the modular box network port, connect two network cables to the client and server computer network port. Number nine, lastly, the client network shares the printer to the network. So here is the blank client server network design for your activity. Wrap up, client server network, a computer network in which one centralized powerful computer is a hub to which many less powerful personal computers or workstations are connected. The client runs programs and access data from the stored on the server. The main advantage of the client-server network is supporting a shared database or a site to be obtained or updated by many computers while keeping only one control center for the operation. Valuing direction. Read and answer the following question carefully in 2 to 3 sentences each number. Number one, what are the importance of cable routes in client-server network design? Number two, cite a situation in which you can apply the knowledge of cable routes in client-server network design. Pause test, direction. Identify and choose the answer on the box. Write the answer on the blank space. Number one, this device that allows other Wi-Fi devices to connect a wired network. Number two, a device that filters and forwards packets between LAN segments. Number three, this device that converts data into a format suitable for a transmission medium. Number four, a bundle multiple network ports together to connect incoming and outgoing lines. Number five, used for telephone system, data networks, and low-speed serial connection.